Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Boom. That's the DV killer right there. Dude, I love that. Oh my god, that sounds so awesome. Hello and namaste everyone. Here today I'm trying to make a video over the exhaust system that I installed recently, and I posted a video about this exhaust system a few weeks ago, and a lot of people were asking me how it actually sounds like, and how it sounds with the DB killer and without the DB killer. And to be honest, I haven't tried it with the DB killer, but without the DB killer, but with the DB killer it sounds amazing. If you guys want to check out how to install this exhaust, I had posted a video a couple of weeks ago how to install that exhaust system as well. I'll put it on the description list. You can check it out as well. I'm trying to take out the DB killer out of this, so I'll try to show you how it sounds like with the DB killer right now. Like as I'll make the video, I'll take out the DB killer and I'll make the video how it sounds like. I'll try to show you how it sounds like. I'm not sure if that's gonna cause any problem on the dash or engine or any problem in the computer. I'm not sure about that, but I'm just gonna try it. If I get any problems, then I'm gonna put the DB killer back. I bought it off the eBay, and a little bit of information for you guys. I'll show you guys first how it sounds like with the DB killer as it is. Everything else seems all good. Put on the neutral first. Yep. So yeah, that's how it sounds like. It's super loud. I don't want to disturb my neighbors as well. I'll turn it off first. So yeah, it's pretty loud. I don't want to disturb my neighbors, so I haven't took out the DB killer yet, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be more louder. Put on that exhaust, it will make you happy, but it's not crazy loud that you want to disturb your neighbors as well. Good, I'm happy with this, but still, let's try without the DB killer. Let's go ahead and check it out. So yeah, first off, it's a slip-on exhaust. I got the whole thing when I bought it off, so I can simply take these two springs off and take this bolt out, so hold the muffler will slip out. So I can take this one off. The DV killer will be here, like as you can see right in there, this thing inside it. I don't know if you can see it or not. So it will stay somewhere here. I just have to take that one out and push this one back in. That's all I gotta do. All right, let's go ahead and do it. Muffler's out. That's the DV killer right there. That's the DV killer. And so I'm going to push that part in without the DV killer right now. Alright, this is done. So I can just start the bike and see how it goes. I'll take it on the road as well. How it sounds like now. I don't want to scare my neighbors, right? Hopefully it'll go alright. I'm very excited to see how it goes. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Boom. And there's nothing on the screen at that moment. Pretty much done. Time to take it on the road, see how we go. Dude, I love that. Oh my god, that sounds so awesome. Whew. Everyone was looking at me. That sounds awesome, mate. That sounds awesome. I'm gonna love it. Sounds like a V4 engine, man. V8 engine.